how to fix no GPS signal loss on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Additional Settings. After click on Additional Settings, scroll down and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search Media Setting from here. You will see click on Media DRM setting. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. If it not solved, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Now in setting, you will see first option is about phone. Click on about phone. Scroll down and click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal lost on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.